are some areas of the United States where people can only see Menards trains and buildings online. The brick and mortar stores are just not there yet. Luckily for me, there are two within 15 minutes of my home. Today, I'm at the location in EVANDALE, Ohio, which is just north of Cincinnati. The selection here is even better than what I found at the other store in Loveland, Ohio. Toy trains and Christmas just seem to go together, so it makes sense that Menards brings them back front and center at this time of year. This storefront is nearly 2 feet wide. It has LED lighting, figures, and will even play the Menards jingle at the touch of a button. If I had the space, I'd set this up with a huge parking lot in front, which would be full of my 1/43rd scale DIECAST cars. The county jail is a new addition to go along with the general store, the water tower, and the other items from Menards' Cripple Creek collection. It's also nicely lit and features 2 police cars with flashing roof lights. A few months ago, I did a whole episode on the Metropolis Theater, but this is the first time that I've seen it on full display at a store. The lighting is some of the best that Menards has done. The ticket booth, the window effects, and the cascading illumination from the building's Art Deco elements really put on a show. I've shown the halls of Handsome Barbershop, Grandpa Jack's Hobby Shop, and the Cripple Creek General Store before. But I think they're worth a second look, especially around Christmas time. Because who doesn't like toys that light up and move? Like the FedEx building that uses the same forklift mechanism as Schneider's Freight, but I think Menards is really smart for sharing animatronic mechanisms across various platforms. These have to be so expensive to develop. Plus, this is a really cool effect. I could watch it for a while. I'm watching it right now. Check out the new paper catalog for Menards Trains this season. It's only 99 cents, and its cover is very reminiscent of Lionel catalogs from 60 or 70 years ago. There are 36 pages of trains, buildings, and die-cast vehicles, everything that Menards currently offers in the fall of 2023. I'll get around to a full catalog video in a week or so, but there's still plenty to see here at this store. If I were 40 years younger, I'd seriously consider signing up to be in a Space Force Reserve unit. Does the Space Force even have a reserves? I don't know. But Menards does offer a value pack that celebrates all 6 branches of the United States Armed Services. And how cool is this D-Day boxcar? Olive drab paint with a pinup girl who looks like she belongs on the nose of a B-17. How cool? Very, very cool. Flat cars with or without loads are available from Menards in a variety of road names. I like them because they make good displays for your cars, your trucks, or your tanks. The graphics are really nice and sharp. Plus, the simulated wood decking is also very well done. Menards could do a lot worse than to follow Lionel's business model from the 1950s or 60s. Nostalgia is especially good at selling toy trains, and if you add a little emotional pull at Christmas time, even better. I don't see a specific year on this boxcar, but I bet they'll come out with a new one every season. Plus, the dog's nose lights up just like Rudolph's. That'll make some people smile for sure. Here's a fact that I discovered while looking through the new Menards catalog. The buildings, and now certain cars and trucks that also light up, are powered by a 4.5 volt plug-and-play power adapter. And within the catalog's fine print, they mention that the adapters from Lamax or Department 56 will also work. And that's good to know. The marketing people at Menards are pretty smart with their resources. The designers came up with modular products and figured out ways to make them serve different roles. Like this truck cab that can be a wrecker, a dump truck, a fire truck, or even a tanker. It's also clever how they're decorated with the names and brands that are also found on their buildings and freight cars. If you don't have a Menards store near you yet, you can always flip through the catalog like when you were a little kid, or you can check them out online. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you and yours will have a very Merry Christmas. Take care.